Okay, in this one we are going to work on grids. If you don't know what a grid is, you need to know what a grid is. So I'm going to first show you what a grid is. Okay, we're going to do 16th note grids this time. Okay, we are going to play 16th notes. 1 E enda, 2 E enda, 3 E enda, 4 E enda. That is 4 whole beats. Okay, which is quarter notes. 16 notes have 4 16th notes in a quarter note. So there's 16 16th notes in a measure of 4 4 because there are 4 quarter notes. 4 counts of quarter notes. Got it? Okay. So let me do 16th notes. 16th notes. 1 E enda, 1 E enda, 2 E enda, 3 E enda, 4 E enda. Okay, now we're going to do it accenting just the downbeats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 E enda, 2 E enda, 3 E enda, 4 E enda. Okay, now we're going to do it accenting the E's. 1 E enda, 2 E enda, 3 E enda, 4 E enda. Now the ands. 1 E enda, 2 E enda, 3 E enda, 4 E enda. And then the uhs. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1. Minus that one accent. Okay, so if we put them together, the 4s, meaning you're playing 4 beats of everything, sounds like this. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1. Okay, cool. So then we go into 2s, which means we play 2 beats. 1 D and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and 1 D and 2 E and 3 E and 1 E and 1. Try it again. 1 D and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and 1 D and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and 1. Okay? So then we go into the 1s, which means we only play 1 beat. Okay? So we got 1 D and 1 E and 1 D and 1 D and 1. Cool? 1 D and 1 E and 1 D and 1 D and 1. Okay? Put it all together. Okay, so all of the sequences have to add up to 4 or equal 4. So you play the 4s 1 time through. 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, you play the 2s 2 times through. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, you play the 1s 4 times through. 1 times 4 is 4. So you got it? Alright, now we're going to change the sticking. Just make the sticking exactly like paradiddles the whole time. Okay, so let's try that. Cool? Alright. So then let's take the paradiddle and let's work it into book reports. And then we can grid the book reports.